In this video, we will show you how to hide unused channels. The Bliss remote comes with 15 channels. If you don't need to use all 15, you can hide the extra channels. This makes scrolling through your available channels much easier. Using the Channel Select button on your Bliss remote, press and hold both the left and right arrows together. The remote screen will show the letter C. Now, select the number of channels you would like to have by using the Channel Select buttons. For this example, we will use 5. Once you have the desired amount selected, press the Stop button. The display will show O, which confirms your change. You have now successfully hidden your unused channels. If you need to add more channels, just repeat the same steps and select the amount of channels you wish to display.